Yes.
Is this your house?
I don't live here alone, but yes, I own this house. This is my house.
It's so fine.
Thank you, baby.
Very fine.
Thank you. So, shall we?
The car, is it also yours?
You are just coming back from the village. I'm sure you should be very tired by now. Let's go in, shower, drop your bag, have some rest, and we're going to discuss all this later. To answer your question, yes, these are all mine. And I'm sure with the way I'm looking at you, in just some couple of days, or let me say just weeks, you're going to get more of this. Do you understand? That's if you work hard.
Hard?
Ha!
Me? Harder. I'll work
Let's
hard. Hard! Trust me, I'll work hard and I'll work.
Let's go in.
You have made it though. Anyway.
Enter. You are your village life.
Who are all these people? What are they doing here? How did they even get inside this place? It's the same room.
I'm listening, babe. Babe, it's okay. Just relax. I understand what you're saying. See, there's nothing too big for us to sort out, alright? They're my girls. I'll talk to them. Just calm down. Babe, don't worry. I'll make it up for you, right? That's okay. Alright, I've heard you. Let me call you later. We'll finish up, alright? Okay, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning, Obi. How are you?
Fine.
And how was the first night?
It was okay.
Alright.
But, sorry. There were some mad girls in the room I slept. Who are they?
Mad girls?
Yes, in my room that I slept.
Oh.
How did they get in there?
I can't remember having mad girls in my house. Remember when you came, I told you that I don't stay here alone, but this is my house. Those people you call mad girls are my girls. They work for me. I'm sure they are just coming back from work and I wouldn't want you to disturb them. Let them rest, okay?
Work.
Yes, work.
What kind of job are they coming from this early? What sort of job is that?
I'll explain to you much later. You asked too much questions. I've got some calls to make right now, so... Mama, good morning.
Tina!
Obi, what are you doing here?
What's going on here?
I should be asking you, What are you doing here?
Do you girls know each other?
Yes, Mama. She's my sister.
What?
The girl I told you about her some time ago in the village.
Oh. OMG. This one is a small world then. You know, she was my school daughter during my school days. And she's your sister.
Wow. The small world.
Interesting. And why are you coming back now?
Mama, you know now. You know how they be now. You know.
Go in there and freshen up and come and give me updates.
Thank you, Mama. Wow. Obi, so finally you are here. Welcome, my sister. Welcome. We'll talk later. Let me just have some rest.
That's so nice. Freshen up and come and give me updates, girlfriend.
Why is she dressed like that? Hey, is she also coming back from the same walk? Oh.
Emenike. Yep. I've been thinking. You know, this is actually the 4th month since you started dating Ginika. Why are you sounding like this? Is there any problem? Well, Emenike, I'm not a doctor, but I'm beginning to think that by now, her pregnancy should be noticeable. Don't you think so? Although I'm not a doctor, but you know, I'm just trying to say, because 4 months is a whole lot of months, that pregnancy should be noticeable.
Like you rightly said, that you're not a doctor, neither am I. So if the tummy is getting bigger, I don't know.
Emenike, it's not as if I am prognosing into an affair that doesn't concern me. But I suggest you should look deeply into what I just said and find out.
Anyway, thank you for your new observation, but it cannot turn me into an investigator trying to ask for what is not relevant. If the tummy is coming out, when the time comes to protrude.
Emenike, why do you always shade off each time I raise a relevant topic as friends? This is an important issue. You know what, I just think it's necessary for you to look into it, and that's why I raised it up.
Anyway, I have to rush out now, okay? I will see you some other time. My regards to Esther. Okay?
You are leaving?
Yeah.
Why is he always acting up each time I raise up a relevant issue that we must have to talk about? What is even my own problem? What is even my own problem? You know, prognosing into affair that doesn't concern me.
Don't touch. Come here. I will not. I will not. I will not.
Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come here. You can't run away from me. You can't run away from me. You can't run away from me. Babe, stop this. Just stop this. Stop deceiving me. Babe, you can't do... Okay, give me your hand. Let me drag you up. Babe, stop this now. Babe. 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 Hey. Babe. Oh God. Where's my car key? Where's my car key?
Emenike, I went to the hospital as you asked me to, and they told me you were gone. What happened?
Chiki, I can't believe what I'm going through right now.
What you're passing through? Tell me, is everything okay? How is she? Emenike, talk to me now. this your calmness is really getting me worried, honestly. You are so troubled, you are not seeing anything, and what is really happening? Is she okay?
This is my 3rd day here. And up until now, Sandra has not said anything concerning the work she brought me here to do. All these girls in our house, about 10 of them. What kind of work do they do only at night? And Tina, that one, she's been avoiding me.
Are you going out? Yes, I want to go see someone. That reminds me, I've transferred the 30,000 to your mother, to the account she sent.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's fine.
Thank you.
I want to rush to see someone. I'll be back in the evening, okay?
But can I just talk to you briefly?
I think I know what you want to discuss. Relax. Calm down. When I return, we'll talk about it. And, you know, good news though. I'm actually going to meet the person for the job I promised you about.
Okay.
So relax.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay, I'll wait till you come back.
Don't wait here. Go inside.
Be strong. Afufu webuna. Don't rely. Obiagerim. Ego wabanegani o. Guide be. Be strong. Afufu webuna. Obiagerim. Ego wabanegani o. Guide be. Have patience. Afufu webuna. Obiagerim. Have patience. Ego wabanegani. One day, guide better. One day go better. Things will turn around one day. Stop crying,
You've been silent since we came back from the hospital. You've not said a word to me. What's going on? Are you alright?
Why?
Why what?
Ginika, why?
Why what? I don't...
Do you have to lie to me with something as delicate as pregnancy? Do you have to?
I didn't lie to you.
You lied to me that you're pregnant. Ginika.
I'm still pregnant.
Hey, my friend, shut up. Stop that rubbish. Stop that your pretentious attitude. Stop lying to me. What's your problem? Huh?
I didn't lie to you.
Doctor, how is she? Is she okay?
Don't worry, she'll be fine in a moment.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, she will.
God, I thank you. What of the baby?
The baby?
Yes.
I'm sorry, there was no baby.
Doctor, sorry, I need to be clarified here. I mean, does she have a miscarriage or something?
No, I mean, she's not pregnant. Yeah, from all the tests and x-ray we conducted on her, she wasn't pregnant. She wasn't. She was not pregnant.
Ginika, what would you gain from doing this? I gave you all my trust. See how you betrayed it.
But, sweetie, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you from the...
You love me and you betrayed me. You lied to me.
I didn't want to lose you, that's why I said that. I'm truly sorry from the bottom of me.
You didn't do it because you love me. You did it because of my money. It's my money you wanted.
It's
and it's very clear to me now.
It's not true. Please.
Hey, do not touch me. Do you know what? Huh? A relationship built on lies cannot last. So I've lost all the interest in you. I've lost the trust I have for you. So you have to find your way to the guest room. And tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, pack your things and leave my house. Is that clear?
Sweetie, please, I'm sorry.
Cheers.
I'm sorry, I love you. Please don't do this.
If you touch me, I will slap you. I'll give you a little slap.
Please don't do this.
You be my boo. I carry what you like you. My oil ATM machine. My oil ATM machine. He is in love. Love don't blindfold. My oil ATM machine. My oil ATM machine. Jay, you can love her. You can do lost to you because of love.
Verisa,
You can.
how could you? Verisa, how could you?
Honey, what is the problem? What did I do?
How could you do this to me? How could you betray me, Verisa? I trusted you. You connived with your friend Gineka to rip Emenike off. Someone who just got out from heartbreak, and both of you succeeded in taking him back to it.
Honey, I don't understand what you're talking about. Make me understand you. What I'm
Spare me
saying.
that. So you're trying to tell me you're not aware that Gineka lied to Emenike that she was pregnant?
What? She didn't tell me. She did not. I'm not aware of this.
You're telling me the truth?
Yes, I'm as surprised as you are.
Just make sure you're telling me the truth. Because if I'm to find out that you are not telling me the truth,
Hi, Tina, you have disappointed me. So this is what you people do in the city, prostitution. Hi.
Obi, you won't understand.
What will I not understand? Eh? What is it that I will not understand?
Please bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
Hi.
Sandra will not be happy to see the both of us here. And I no one lose this as shall walk.
I don't care what Sandra thinks. I do not care if she does not even want to see me again in this world. What is this now? Tina, see, if it is this work Sandra actually brought me to this city for, me, I will not do it though. I will not. She should just count me and she should just forget it. Ah, but Tina, you, even you.
Hey, Obi, things are hard in this country.
God.
The only way you can survive here, especially in this city, now this is shall work. See, okay, make I bust your brain now. You see all those money where they give you that time? All those hospital bill where I pay for mama. You think say nah, just the beg. Now this is shall work, give me that money. And besides now, Sandra give me all those money. So you need to work.
I will return them. Yes, I will work hard and I will return it. See, I don't want anything to do with this, your business. I will return every single money that you spent on my mother. Even if it means working for the rest of my life. It will only take me time. Just give me small time. I know I will hustle hard in the village. I will make it and I will send the money back to you. Don't worry about that. If you want me to return it, just say it now. So that I will just go back to the village immediately and start work. By the time I start buying more plantain to add to the corn I'm selling, I know I will make it and I'll return your money to you.
Please, whatever thing you are saying, or if you want to go back to the village and do this, do not disappoint Sandra. Sandra, no, they joke with this Ashawo work.
I don't
care.
I
do not disappoint her. She will not be happy
Tina,
with you.
You see this talk? I don't want to hear it.
You better hear it.
Tina, I don't want to hear this talk.
Come back and use that thing and get money for Sandra. Oh. Hey, Jesus. Hey, I don't put myself for trouble. I shouldn't have told her. I should have waited till Sandra tells her. Hey, me, I don't want to lose this I shall walk. Oh.
May I have the pleasure to introduce the manager of PG Holdings. She insisted on coming to see you herself before she would sign the contract.
Oh, finally. Manager, you're welcome.
The pleasure is all mine. And please call me Tony.
Okay. Tonya, nice name.
Thank you.
I hope you got a blueprint we sent to you.
I wouldn't have been here if the answer is no. My boss was impressed. I would have come personally. But for some business errands, I came in this place.
That's beautiful. I love what I heard.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Once we see your signature on the contract, we start off work.
Well, why the delay? I will sign it immediately.
Oh.
Where are the papers?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm coming. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
you're welcome. So, Mr. Emenike, what do you do with your free time?
Excuse me?
Well, surely I know you don't bury yourself with work. You are the boss here. Definitely you must have a free time. So what do you do with your free time?
Anyway, I am not that outgoing person much. I'm an introvert. So most of the time I spend indoors. Why do you ask?
Okay. Well, Mr. Emenike, let's say I would like to hang out with you. What do you have to say about that?
That will be fine only when the deal is done and sealed.
Okay.
The file?
Yeah, the file.
Okay. So,
Okay. Here is the document.
Sign it.
That's good.
oh. Thank you so much.
Very wonderful.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Anything I do, I know you know the best. Anything I do, I know you know the best.
That's my
My are you well, ATM machine. My are you well, ATM machine. The guy my are you well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So please keep in touch.
Good deal.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
My are you well, ATM machine. You be my boo. I got you what
Emenike.
My are you well, ATM machine.
What was that all about?
My are you well, ATM machine.
I don't know.
Is in love, love or
But I think she's not just here for
are you well,
business.
are you well, ATM machine.
So, will you call her?
Maybe once. I will have a date maybe once, and that's all. Because I'm not interested in any kind of relationship now. Even if I should not. Even if I want to not. Okay, that's
That's okay.
Obi, that is why I said you need to work hard so you can acquire these beautiful luxuries you're seeing here for yourself in the nearest time. You've seen my girls. They all work hard, very hard, and they're doing well for themselves. I'm sure Tina is going to put you through though. You don't have anything to worry about.
I'm not interested.
Sorry?
I said I'm not interested.
You know, baby girl, you need to calm down. You need to calm down with your decisions. You don't make hasty decisions when you're angry. Relax. Take your time and think about what you just said.
But there is nothing to think about. But if this is the reason you brought me from the village, then I'd rather travel back to the village. I don't want to do this. Please.
Now, there's a whole lot to think about, baby girl.
I'm not interested,
I know you will think about it, baby girl. Just give yourself some time and you think about it. Yeah.
You know, I've never had a woman decide on what I will eat at a restaurant.
It's okay. I hope you enjoyed every bit of the meal.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay. Emenike, I've been meaning to ask. Do you have a woman in your life?
Not at the moment.
You haven't seen the right one, or you are not ready yet?
I've had a series of heartbreak and I'm not finding it fair with women, okay? And I decided to just focus on my family business and that is it. And why are you asking?
Just for something to say. I've been in the States for a while. I was staying with my dad. And I met this guy. He promised to marry me. Guess what? Unfortunately, on our wedding day, this guy disappeared. Leaving me at the altar.
Wow.
So since then, I haven't been in a serious relationship. Then I decided to come back to Nigeria.
Wow. Oh, that's so sad. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, I'm fine. Please, I'm working now.
Yeah, thank you for the meal. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you too.
I have to run along now.
No problem. Thanks.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder could you see. No, not to what to do. To if only you can watch your back. There are fake people around you. If only you can see your back. There are fake people around you. If only you can read their mind. There are fake people around you. If only you can see their thoughts. There are fake people around you. If only you can see their mind. There are fake people around you. If only you can feel this. There are fake people around you.
Hi. What are you doing here by this time of the night? I mean, how did you locate me? How did you locate me?
I know you'll be surprised.
Yes, I am.
I was actually doing some research in the area and I didn't realize how late it was until it was late. So I decided to come here since we are acquainted.
And how did you know I live here?
I found your residential address in a write-up I saw in your car the last time we hung out. Your gateman refused to let me in until I told him I'm your new girlfriend. And I showed him the pictures we took at the eatery. I can leave if you don't want me here.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. I'm sorry for the interrogation. Just that I don't like unannounced visits. Yeah.
A man with principles. I like that.
Yeah, thank you. I was actually going to sleep before I heard you knocking.
You have a nice house though.
It's my father's house, but he's not in town now. Yeah.
That's good.
It's all right. Let me show you to the guest room.
Okay.
Oh. Hey. Hey. What's the meaning of this now? Good morning, Ginoye. What's the meaning of this?
What do you mean?
What are you doing here?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? I thought I showed you where to sleep last night. Then why are you on my bed?
What exactly is your problem?
Hey.
Can't you read signs? Must everything be spelled out for you? I've been throwing myself at you right from day one.
Why are you throwing yourself at me? Are you a volleyball?
You get my boy football too. What is it?
Who is this?
I say, who is this? I don't know if you are naive or too dumb to notice. No wonder you haven't been able to keep a steady relationship. You never know rubbish.
Come on, Seba, get down.
I'm getting down. I don't blame you.
You're here enjoying foam. Good foam.
Enjoying what?
Leave this place.
After doing 3 rounds, you are complaining. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
She's not my spec. We did 3 rounds. Come on, shut up, bro. What's this now? Then 2 minutes not Osunka.
If only you can watch your people around you. If only you can see your people.
Emenike, if I'm to get you correctly, you woke up and saw her beside you and then asked her what she was doing there. She fled up.
In my own household.
Oh no, this is worse. I mean, this is the worst of them all. Honestly, Emenike, I do not encourage such a relationship. I said I do not encourage such a relationship.
And who told you that we are in a relationship?
Oh, you are not in a relationship. And then you allowed her to come to your house by that hour of the night. Okay. If you don't have anything going on between both of you.
Chike, does it mean that all the things I've been telling you here, you're not even listening to me? It goes in here and closer to the other ear.
Bro, if you don't have anything good.
Hi.
Hi.
Good day.
Good day. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm here to apologize for my behavior this morning at your place. It was very wrong of me, and I shouldn't have acted in such a rude manner. I am sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I bear no grudge against you. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you so much. I prepared this food for you.
Oh.
I know you hardly eat once you start working.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is thoughtful of you.
Thank you. I have to run along now.
Okay.
I'll be having a meeting with my boss in a few minutes. He doesn't like to be kept waiting, so let me just...
Okay. Yeah,
I'll come for my flask later.
Don't worry, I can even bring it for you.
No, I'll come for my flask. Bye-bye.
Obi, you're a very beautiful girl. Why are you being so naive? You have all it takes to make millions.
Sandra, I've told you this several times. And I don't want to repeat myself. But your several preachings cannot make me change my mind. Please, I am not interested.
Obi, do you know why I'm lenient with you? It's because of who you are to me. See, listen. Nobody has ever proved so stubborn to me before. No one.
Well, you made a mistake. You made a mistake by thinking I would like to join you in this your dirty and unholy business.
What?
Yes.
Obi, you've got 3 days. 3 good days to think about what you want. Do you understand? If not, I am going to send you back to the village where I picked you from. And that's a fact.
Well, I don't need 3 days of grace. It's not necessary. I've already made up my mind and it's final. I am not interested. I should start going back now. Thank you.
Obi, come back here. Look at this idiot I bought from the village just to give her, just to make her belong. That's okay. I think I know what to do. I will stop giving this girl food in my house. By the time she starves, she'll realize she's supposed to join my girls and make money for me. Idiot. I don't blame her. It's alright.
Arrangement is this? Huh? Imenike has totally gone nuts because of these girls. Huh? And my problem is that he don't even like anybody to interfere with his decision. Well, no problem. Let's see how it goes.
So, Obi, what is your final decision now?
I'm not doing it. Even if she has decided not to give me food anymore, no problem.
I heard her saying this morning that you must refund the whole money she spent on you and Mama. Think about that too.
That's fine. But she will give me time. She'll give me time to look for another job and raise the money for her.
Where will you stay if you get the work, if I may ask?
I'll hang around here. Why are you laughing?
Ha! Obi, do you think she will let you? You better accept to do this assured work. You can quit later. That is what most of us do here. You better think of that too. Anyway, it's up to you to decide. You can choose what you want. Asha will not be bad work.
No, I will not do it. I will not do it. I will beg her. I will beg her to let me get another job. Then pay her all her money. It's as simple as that. I will beg her. I know she will listen to me. I don't have to do this.
Well, I tell you, pal. My guy just decide, I go see my people just like that. Huh? Because after big Oga and big Madam travel go America, I never go see my people. Oga just decide to make I go see my people just like that. Can't give me big money, join now. Huh? Wait too. Hope so no be sack be this so. Hope so no be sacking one sack me like this so. Okay, I go die put for this matter. Anyway, Sha, she said I come back after 3 months. Since I don't see opportunity now, and he give me transport. And then I go see my people now. After I don't even miss them, sir. I go see my people. Can't ever see them. I go miss this fine house, Sha. I miss it.
No. What's so funny? Yeah, not funny. What's so funny?
No. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Emenike. But I mean, I couldn't help it. Wait, Emenike, are you sure about this, your idea? Are you sure this idea will work?
See, I am happy with my new job, okay? Yes, since the other idea didn't work. So, be careful with me.
You really look so funny. Like, you really look so funny in this dress. Seriously.
Now it's time to put a notice on that gate that a female cook is needed here.
Why? Why do you have to? Why do you need a female cook?
Who is there?
I'm chill.
Who is that?
Where is that useless gateman? I will just have to call your boss and get him fired. Why must they keep me waiting? Open this gate! Why must they keep me waiting?
Who is that?
Open this gate! Come on, open this gate, Joe.
The work is on now. Play your card well. I filled it before. Hold on. I'm coming.
Come on, open this gate.
Sorry, you. Welcome.
Are you mad?
Why are you up? Hey. Welcome, ma.
Oh my God. Emenike, please, I'm so sorry, okay? Why are you putting on this?
My friend, what is still keeping you there?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm bringing it.
My friend, will you bring that in inside? Do not waste my time. Do not keep me waiting.
Okay, I'll bring it now.
Wait. What is going on here? Is that not your colleague at the office?
Go, please. I'm very busy now. I'm very busy. Go now. Go, I'm busy. Go now, I'm busy. Just go.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder could you see.
I'm coming, sir.
No, not to what to do.
Go!
If only you can
Leave us alone!
around you. If only you there are fake people around you. If only you can read their fake people around you. If only
What was the meaning of that? Emenike, a gate man, in the same house I have once visited as his house. Mba. I have to repeat my visit. I think this guy is playing games with me. It won't work. I must repeat my visit. I will come another day. I will come another day.
But one thing is for sure in this life.
What nonsense. Emenike, a gate man, in the same house I have once visited as his house. I have to repeat my visit. I think this guy is playing games with me. Emenike is playing games with me. No problem. I must repeat my visit. What nonsense!
I can't keep staying here like this. Else hunger will kill me. I had to lie to my mother about the job I was doing in the city. If I tell her the truth, it will break her. I think it's high time I go out there and look for something to do. Yes, I need to look for a job. Sandra cannot keep me caged in this place. I need to make a move. Yes.
Yeah.
What? You are still putting on those rubbish?
Yeah, so this is where I found myself. You know, I lost everything I had to the bank.
Tell me you are kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Emenike.
Sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, come here.
Sir.
How are you? My friend, open the gate.
Can I follow you to the junction?
Okay.
Get in the car.
Thank you, sir.
My friend, will you open the gate?
Open the gate! Now, Pali.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder Kuko see. No, not to what to do. To if only you can watch your perfect people around you. If only you can see your perfect people around you. If only you can read their perfect people around you. If only you can see their perfect people around you. If only you can see their perfect people around you. If only you can feel the perfect people around you. No wonder
Obiageli! Obiageli! Who is this fool? Obiageli! Where is Obiageli? Oh my. She's not around. Answer me from there. Are you crazy? I said, where is Obiageli? I haven't seen her. You've not seen her? Call that girl. Tell her that I said I do not want to see her legs in this compound again. I don't want her anymore in my house. Someone else will come and replace her. And that's for a fact. You have her number. Call her. I don't want to see her legs in this compound. You know what? I'm coming. Tell this guy I don't want to see her in this house. If I see her, I'm going to skin her alive. If I get this guy in this house, I will skin both you and her alive. Rubbish.
Be strong. Afufu webuna. Don't rely. Be strong. Afufu webuna. Have patience. Afufu webuna. Have patience. One day, get better. One day, get better. This will turn around one day. Ever since my father left us in this world, this has never been the same.
I feel like fainting.
It has been one problem.
Maybe I should just go back. I'm just so tired.
No help, no good job at all to help mama. To help mama.
Why is Tina calling me?
No good job at all to help mama. To help mama.
Hello?
No help, no good job at all to help mama. To help mama.
I went out. If I continue to stay in that house, I will die of hunger. I can't keep staying there idle. What? You... Sandra... No problem, I'm coming. Sandra threw my veins out. Oh God, what do I do? Can you stop making noise? God, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Alpha.
Hi.
Mama don't see you.
No.
Take this, use and whole body.
No, please, no.
Why?
Nothing. Please, just...
What? Are you still in this house? Are you still in this house, Obi? I thought I told you to leave my house.
I will leave tomorrow.
You what? Are you crazy? I told you to leave my house before I come downstairs and you're still here?
Well, I can't leave this night. That's why I said I will leave.
I don't care. I don't care if it's midnight, early morning, afternoon. I don't care. You must leave my house, Obi. This night, this very moment, you're leaving my house. Get my house!
My bag!
Get out of my house!
My bag!
Get out!
Oh, my bag!
Get out!
Hey!
Get out of my house! Rubbish! Idiots! I And you, what was happening here? What was happening here? I said, what was happening here? What was going on here? If you go through my back, I will kill your life in this house. Now go to work. Go to work! Fools! Now shower be. And they make money. You won't come chop money. And you don't want to do a shower work. Now crazy worry you. Idiot. Rubbish. I'm not fear.
Hello?
Chike, darling, how is it?
Fine.
You are speaking with Tony.
I know it's you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Sorry to disturb. How about confidential today? I really want us to discuss it.
Oh, okay. Alright, call me when you're ready.
Alright, sweet dreams.
Okay. See, Minike was right after all. All women are after money and riches. Well, but my Vanessa is exceptional. That's good.
Where is Obiageli?
I don't understand.
What do you mean by you don't understand? Are you crazy? Or are you deaf? I ask again. Where is Obiageli?
I have not set my eyes on her since the day you threw her things away from this house.
You lie. You lie, Tina. Obiageli is still in this city. And I know you are hiding her away from me.
I'm not aware of that, ma.
You are lying, Tina. You are lying.
Mama, I can't lie to you.
Really?
I can't.
So you're telling me that I don't know where Obiageli is?
Of course, I don't know.
Oh, okay. That's alright. You can leave. I said you can leave. You can't hide from me, it's not possible. I will fish you out wherever you are hiding. That's the fact. You cannot hide from me. 1 or 2 calls, I'll fish you out. You don't know who you're messing with.
Hey, I think I'm interested though. I'm interested. I can cook. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I saw your notice outside the gate. I said, let me come in and apply.
Oh, you did well. Okay, so can you cook?
Hey, woman, I can cook. Oh. Hey, don't go there. I cook very well. Yes, sir.
So have you served in any public place as a cook?
No, sir, not really, but I cook everything. I cook spaghetti, I cook indomie, I cook fried rice and chicken. I also cook our local dishes. Or achicha, na bobo. Hey, you should get kufu. I like here.
What's that?
Oh, sorry, sir. It's just that these are our local dishes there. If I cook them for you, Alakwa, you will not leave me. You will always be looking for me. You like it? Yes, sir.
It's okay. Okay. Once you're stepping out there, there is a book on top of the table. You will see. Write your name, your address, and your contact. You'll be called for an interview.
I don't understand how. As what? How? Which book? So because I came here to apply to cook for you, will be say you will even like it, you enjoy a pass me. Then you want to carry the interview over. I should go and write my name as waiting. Abraham school. Oga, hold your interview and your book. Hold your book. Because I'm here to apply. Apply to.
Hold on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Come in. What do you want?
I saw the advertisements there for work.
I don't blame anybody because I am here for a cooking job. That's why people are booking me for another day. I don't blame anybody. Nonsense. Look at just ordinary cooking work and you want to book me for another interview. I don't blame you, sir. I blame myself for coming here.
What do you want?
I see, you and your guy on the mad.
How?
I don't blame you because I came here to look for a cook. That's why people work. I beg.
Oh, no. You're welcome. Okay, what will happen now is that you keep your bag here. Keep your bag here.
Okay, sir.
Hey, just keep it. Don't romance it. Come.
Ginika, what do you want me to do now? You betrayed me, and now you are telling me to follow you and go and beg Eminike.
Babe, I'm sorry. I know I wronged you, but it wasn't intentional. Please help me beg Eminike. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry from the bottom of my heart.
So why did you lie about the pregnancy?
You know now, I was thinking I was going to be pregnant before he realizes. But it didn't work that way. I truly love this guy. I do.
Ginika, are you sure you love Eminike or his money?
How can you say a thing like that now? If there's anybody that should be saying all this, not you. I truly love Eminike, not his money. Let me talk to your fiancé now. You can convince him. You know. Okay?
Okay, let me call my husband.
Thank you.
So, have you worked in any company or institution before?
No, sir.
No? Have you worked in any restaurant before or eatery?
No, sir.
No again? So what makes you think you are qualified for this job?
Sir, I can cook very well. Yes, I can cook very, very well. My mother taught me how to cook different kinds of food from when I was very small till now. I can cook international food. I can cook local food too. I can cook everything.
Enough!
Sir, please, I really need this job. Please help me.
I'm sorry, but you're not qualified for this job.
Sir, please.
No, we don't have to do this. Stand up, please. The point is that we need a capable hand, more qualified person than homeschool person. So, I don't think you fit in for what we need. You can go. Make use of the door. And ensure you shut the door when we leave. You still here?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Thank you, please. Continental local homeschool. How did you go? Why are you crying?
He said, I'm not good enough for the job.
Hey,
I was really hoping to get this job. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Hi. We have given you this job now.
I just go back to the village to my mother. Instead of staying here and suffering.
Hey.
Sir?
Huh? Okay, the gate. You want to pass through the gate?
Yes, sir.
Come first. Hello? Come and sit down. Just come first now. Sit down and wait. Let me talk to my Oga.
But he had already made up his mind.
He listens to me. Just don't worry, okay? Let me talk to him first. Sit. Keep your bag. Sit. I'm coming. Sit down, okay? Keep your bag. Boss, what are you trying to do? What do you mean by what am I trying to do? Do you have to be harsh on that poor girl?
Boss, this your good heart will not do you any good. You don't even know her from the background. And you just allowed her in like that.
Does that girl look like someone who will be lying?
How will you know, boss? How will you know? Boss, listen. You asked me to be in charge here. And I will be strict with any lady that enters these premises. That girl is not fit for this job. We agreed that we should be careful.
It's okay. Just calm down. Eh? Take me by my words on this one. Just allow that girl to be in one of the guest rooms. Okay? She doesn't have anywhere to go to.
Well, it's okay. After all, it's your house. No. So, you are not taking her in?
I never said so.
Then what is she doing here?
Come on, let's go inside. Huh? Do you say that Ginika will be coming here?
That was what Vanessa said. She's aware of everything.
Okay, come on.
Did he change his mind?
I just say you should come with me. Come on, let's go.
Anything I do,
and follow me.
Anything I do, I know.
Keep your bag on you, late job.
Are you well? ATM machine. Are you well? ATM machine. The guy na my are you well? My ATM machine. My are you well? ATM machine. He's in love. My are you well? ATM machine. You be my boo boo. Got it what you like.
Yeah.
My are you well?
Welcome.
What is this? Is this a joke? Huh?
No, it's not a joke.
Are you not a gate man or what? I don't understand.
As you can see, that is what I am. Yeah, the truth is that I am not what you think I am. I am not whom I claim to be. Okay? The owner of the house came back. Then I have to go back to my post.
This is unbelievable. Girl, let's just get out of this place.
Sorry, let me get Sifo, sit down. I hope you came to see me, right?
Yes. No. You're not the one I came to see. Me, Ginika.
Oh, Ginika, we came to see
Let's talk.
Let's sit down and talk about this.
Talk about what? Me, Ginika, came to see a stupid gate man. Let's get out of this place.
Ginika!
Guinea.
Please, let's go, Joe. Why are you behaving like this? Eh? I thought we are here to beg him on your behalf.
No, not a gate man.
Eh? Ha! Ginika, I thought you said that you love this guy.
I didn't say I love a gate man. I love Emenike, not the gate man.
And what if he disguised himself?
What? Vanessa! What do you mean he disguised himself? Vanessa!
My guy, you need to see the drama at the gate today.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. But those people are evil. All they want is my money.
Do you know that the one called Tonya has been on my neck? Asking me for a date. Can you imagine? And she has been calling me like series of calls. I've neither picked or returned back her call.
No, you have to call her.
I don't have to. Are you serious or something?
So yes,
you must be very stupid.
Yes, I'm stupid, sir.
How dare you? You are sorry.
Yes.
You are sorry, for real. Now get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out! Are you sick or something? You come back. Have you washed my cars?
Very well.
Have you washed them properly?
Very well.
Especially the tires?
It's black.
Get out.
Very well.
Get out!
Thank you, sir.
Mannerless.
Sorry, sir.
Yes?
I wanted to cook food, lunch.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come back. I would like to eat egusi soup and pounded yam. Ensure you pound the yam very well.
Okay, sir.
Good. All you need are in the kitchen.
Okay, sir.
It's okay.
Anything I do, I know you know they face some more. Anything I do, I know you know they face some more.
Would have asked them any care what type of food you would like to eat.
The guys now my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine.
Ah, thank you, my dear. That was already stabbing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. So, sorry, what is your name?
Obiageli.
Obiageli. Wow, what a nice name.
Thank you, sir. Also, thank you for standing for me with your boss. You know, thank you. If not for you, I will not be here by now. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. You just have to bear with him.
Yeah,
okay?
Of course. Thank you, sir. And sorry about the way he spoke to you inside.
It's okay. Thank you.
I'll come back for the plates later.
Okay. Thank you.
Babe, are you trying to say this could be a disguise?
You know, some guys are capable of doing that, so I don't know.
Why would he do a thing like that?
Like I said, baby girl, I don't know.
You know, I have this feeling to go back and confirm what we saw the other day.
I think your thoughts are okay. So just do how you feel though.
That guy used to have money. All of a sudden a gatesman. It's not just adding up.
You worry too much, girlfriend. If you ask me, I think you should go back there and check well for yourself.
I do need that.
I do. It's not a bad deal.
I don't know, have you finished eating so that I can carry the plates?
Oh yes, that's a plate there.
Okay.
I never knew you can cook like this. Oh. Your food is so delicious. I can't remember the last time I ate a delicious food like this.
Thank you.
Your food is so fabulous.
Thank you. Do you have any dirty clothes so that I can help you wash them? I know that you're always busy seated by the gate, so you might not really have time.
Yeah, that's so thoughtful of you. Anyway, I did that yesterday. Yes.
In that case, let me allow you continue.
It's okay. Hey. Hey, Hey!
Yeah.
I was even carried away. I was looking at you. I was carried away.
Okay. I don't want to be calling you security all the time. So please, what is your name?
Emenike.
Okay.
Emenike. Who is that?
Open the gate.
Tonya. Tonya.
What is it?
The person
What is it? No, please. I don't have anything to do with you. Just get out.
The person you came to see is not around. So you just have to go.
For your information, I spoke with him on the phone and he told me he was at home.
Do not argue with me. He's not around. Now get out. Out.
What? Wait a minute. Who are you to order me around? Answer me, who are you to order me around? Don't worry. I will talk to your boss. I can say you want to go begging on the street because I will make sure you lose this job. Idiot. I'm not fear. Need to call himself. What's wrong? Ajungi, get out. How can I ask you? I know he's busy. He's busy right now. We'll pick later. Let me just keep trying. Switch off.
Check a leke jambocha. He will lodge. Then call the Fido Dido. Prewenko.
I was actually coming to your house, Vanessa. I hope there's no problem. Are you hiding something away from me? Hiding something from me? Like what? I feel there's something you're not telling me. That's what I'm talking about.
Babe, I don't understand you. Clear me because I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Is Emenike actually a gate man or he is disguising? That's what I'm talking about.
Hey. See me see wahala. Gineka.
Vanessa.
Were you not the one that followed me to his former house? What did you see?
You actually said things that got me thinking. And I've been pondering on those words. What are you insinuating?
Please. Don't start. I mean, why all the sudden interest on Emenike? I thought you said you don't want him. That you are no longer interested in him. So, what's up with the new attitude of Emenike this, Emenike that?
And if I say I don't like him making Nike, and so what? Are you the one to decide for me what I will say and how I will react? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Really?
You're just a drama queen. Please excuse me, I have where I'm going soon. Excuse me.
Vanessa!
Oh, please, don't Vanessa me.
Vanessa!
Where is she? Let's not cook for nothing, girl. Obiageli? Where is she?
Sir? Sir, I'm here, sir. Sir.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
You are not stupid.
No.
So why do you allow me to be raising my voice, shouting your name in this compound like a madman? If you are not stupid.
I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me, sir. Don't be angry.
Any little thing. I am sorry, sir. Don't be angry. You will always find reasons to justify your stupidity. So tell me one reason why I shouldn't get angry with you.
Because you're a good person. I'm sorry, sir.
You're a good person. Oh well, take this. These are my clothes.
Yes, sir.
Ensure you wash them properly.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing. Concentrate on the armpits.
Okay, sir. I will.
And iron those clothes once you're done.
I will, sir.
Get out of my sight.
Sorry.
Hey!
Yes, sir.
Do not spill the water in this compound. You know where to discard the water.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Ofufu webukwanara obiagerinwa ego bariga dio kaidibe opuru
I want to ask
no.
you, why are you doing this job of the security man?
Nothing, but just that this is the only way I sustain myself because there's nobody to help me. Yeah.
Okay. So, how much is your salary?
Sorry, I'm asking you.
No, it's nothing. There's nothing to hide there. I'm just a very simple person. It's 15,000 naira.
Only?
It's small, right?
Yes, it's too small. Besides, you're a man and... Well, how long have you been working here?
Let's say 5 months now.
Okay. Mine is 10,000 naira. But don't worry, I'll talk to Oga to see if he can increase your salary.
You talk to Oga. You think he will listen to you?
Well,
I know he's a very harsh man, but I will try.
You idiot! What are you doing there?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. And you are sitting there with that man, that useless man.
Sorry, sir.
No, you should be sorry for yourself. Are you stupid?
Sir? Sorry, sir.
My friend, will you get inside?
Sorry, sir.
What?
Sorry, sir.
Stupid. Yes, and you. I'm talking to you, sir. What are you doing there?
At the gate.
Get inside.
At the gate.
Now, where are you going?
I'll keep it. I'll see.
Will you get back to your duty post? Yes, sir. Get inside.
Anything I do,
Rubbish. Come, get in your duty post.
The guy na my all you well, my ATM machine. My all you well, ATM machine. This is love, my all you well, ATM machine. You be my mugu, I got it with you.
Obegeli. Obegeli. Obegeli.
Sir!
Come.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
I must say, you cook well. This was really tasty.
Thank you, sir.
No. No matter how I feel like judging you, you still impress me.
Thank you, sir. Sir, while I was washing your clothes, I saw this money inside one of the pockets of your trousers, sir. So I said, let me bring it to you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. That's good. So, why wouldn't you just have some for yourself, to buy some?
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You don't need it?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. It's alright.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes?
Please, don't be angry with what I want to say.
Okay, come. Ask me anything.
It's about Brother Emenike, the security man, sir.
Emenike?
Yes, sir.
And what about him?
Sir, please, can you just please increase his salary? You know he's a man, and...
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you lost it?
Yes. No, sir.
How dare you?
Yes, sorry, sir.
Since when do you turn to Emenike's advocate? Huh? What gave you such temerity? How will you get back to your duty post?
Thank you,
and
sir.
never you repeat such nonsense again?
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
Stupid girl. And ensure you take away that plate
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yes. Stupid.
What we call love sometimes is not love. What we call gain sometimes is not gain. No wonder Kuko see. No, not to what to do.
Who is that?
Me.
You who? I said me. You who?
Emenike.
Matagodi, come and cheer my gate. What are you doing here?
I came to confirm what I saw the last time. So you're still putting on this gate man's clothes?
Now you've seen it. So?
Hey! Thank God I did not fall for you.
I never pushed you, so why would you fall?
You don't need to push me. Oh. Look at this stupid gate man. Huh? Me, Guinea can marry a gate man. God forbid, I wouldn't have done that.
Can you leave this place? Lele. So let me even ask you. In your wildest dream, you think I'm a gate man? Huh? Oh, sorry about that. Huh? For your information, I still own everything in my possession.
Huh?
Yes. I'm doing this thing for the likes of you that love me because of my money. So unfortunately, you're a fool. I'm not a good man. I am still the owner of this place. Come on, Lele. Come on, I see you again. I'll get you arrested.
I still love you now.
Come on, here now. Please.
No, Emenike, you.
Animal.
Emenike is me.
Look, go over there. Animal. Let me see you here again. On your mind, I'm a good man. Emenike me worried. Emenike go over there. You who? Who are you? Those food are soured. They've soured. Omagoka, go home. You're a fool. Love getting into you.
Around you, if only you can see there are fake people around you. If only you
Emenike, please now. I still love you all. Emenike, please don't do this to me. Remember those foods I used to cook for you all. Those nice foods. Hey. Emenike. Hey. Am I dreaming? Eh? Someone should wake me up. Emenike. Hey. Am I dreaming? Sandra was right after all. Does Vanessa know about this? Huh?
Ginika, what are you doing here?
Are you aware that Emenike was acting in disguise?
And what kind of stupid question is that?
Whoa, me, Ginika, stupid question. So you knew! So you knew!
Ginika, I thought you said you are no longer interested in Emenike. You said you don't love Emenike anymore. So why are you bothering about him? It's not my business to know whether he's disguising himself or not.
Hey, what would one not say? So you knew! You just betrayed me, you know.
Oh, please. You betrayed yourself. Do not blame me for your misfortune. Nonsense.
Look at that stupid girl. Did she just talk to me like that? Okay. Just wake me up. Maybe I'm dreaming. Do you know what I feel like doing? What? I feel like strangling that idiot that calls herself my friend. Seriously.
Did I not warn you? Did I not tell you? You were so fast to take action when you saw him in the security uniform. That was so fast of you. I warned you, babe.
But what do you expect me to do? How was I supposed to know?
The question is, what are you going to do at this situation right now?
I don't know. I'm so confused right now. I don't know.
Should I advise you?
Tell me, please.
I think you should go and beg him to forgive you.
Really? Do you think he will forgive me?
There she goes again. Just try. If I were you though I'm not you, but if I were you, I will go to his house, Kneel down? What am I saying? No. I will lie down and beg him to forgive me with tears in my eyes though. I'll convince him to forgive me. So I think you should just go and ask for forgiveness.
This idiot has started again today. I think it's high time I told Chika about this. That idiot needs to be fired. Eh? What is all this? Open this gate!
Who could that be? Eh? Miniki is out. Who is that?
Baby, I am happy to see you.
Tonya, how are you? Well, let me lock the gates. The gateman is not here. How are you?
I'm fine. Where's that your useless gateman? I am sure you fired him.
Anyway, I gave him suspension.
Baby, suspension is not enough now. Sack him. That man is an idiot.
Anyway, don't worry. I have cautioned him. He will not repeat what he did the other day, okay?
Yeah, I don't like this, so
don't worry.
He deserves to be sacked. Sack him.
Oh, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I'm fine. You think you're right? Can you now hold me? What are you doing? Let's go inside.
It's okay, calm down. Calm down, okay?
Okay.
I saw a briefcase not so long ago.
Okay. You left it here?
Yes. Where is it?
I can't find it, sir.
You can't find it?
No, sir.
Madam, where is the briefcase I left here? And you say you can't find what? Are you sick or something?
I saw it.
Hey! See, let me tell you. This is not the kind of money you will steal and go scot-free.
Me? Steal? Why would I? No, I can't steal. Why would
It's okay. It's okay. Can you excuse us, please?
I've never. I won't even think of.
Please.
I did lost. I can't steal. I've
Can you
never stolen in my life.
Just excuse us.
Anything I do.